Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So we will be discussing how to get 8 plus band scores in IELTS reading. You can get 9 plus bands also, but that is not possible in IELTS. Only 9 bands you can get it when you will get 40 out of 40 marks, but that's sometimes impossible. If you get 39, then also you will get 9 bands. Okay. So, how to get 8 plus band scores in IELTS reading? That's more important. This is part 1 I am talking, and here I will be discussing only 2 points. Okay, so just focus what I mean to say, what I am trying to tell. First important thing is every student, I have noticed during my class session, every student is good in finding fill in the blanks, whether it is label the diagram or some short answer type answers, or complete the summary or complete the notes, and these kinds of things. So why not improve your skills in fill in the blanks? And uh, so you can do it if you are comfortable. When you will get reading passage, try to do these kinds of questions first. Okay, so if you are comfortable in finding location, then you can easily do it. I agree that some list of headings as well as true false not given, there are some confusing questions, but here these are free marks. If you are comfortable, if you can easily get location and then try to understand some little bit paraphrasing, then you can get full marks in these at least. And in a full reading test you will get 10 to 12 or sometimes maybe more than fill in the blanks in the reading passage. Okay, so this is label the diagram. How you can do it, I will be doing it later on. Let's discuss the second point also, that's more important. Please follow the instructions, follow the tips, how I am telling you IELTS reading tips and tricks. I have made many videos about IELTS reading tips and tricks. Follow how I am trying to do the reading passages without reading full story. I will tell you, suppose I have got this reading. So many students, they are not comfortable in finding the location of these fill in the blanks. So they will try to understand the story of the reading passage. First 5-6 minutes they will be wasting in reading the story. Please don't do it. Become a selfish person when you are doing IELTS reading. We are not there to understand these people's story. Okay, so we are here to get good marks in IELTS reading. We have dream to study abroad or settle down in foreign countries. So become a selfish person. Only take the keywords and keywords from here, and then find the keywords in the reading paragraphs, in these paragraphs. Then suppose this keyword you have got it, then don't focus on this keyword, on this line only, on this sentence only. Little bit you can read the above sentence also and the down sentence also. Sometimes in one sentence you will get answer, but of course they can make one sentence out of two sentences. Now third important point, let me tell you. Have you heard about mock test? Nobody is doing mock test. Actually, this is the key. You have prepared in your online classes or offline classes, everything you are getting marks. But when you will sit for 3 hours, a test is for 22 hours 40 minutes around, but paper distribution, paper taking, it will take more than 3 hours. So most of the students, they are having problems in sitting while doing exam, and till the time they reach the last type of module, their headache will start. Okay, so mock test, I mean to say, last 7 days, whatever you know, whatever the preparation you are having, first half of the day please spend on mock test. Mock test means sit for 2 hours 45 minutes at one place without looking at the phone, social media messages and all. Set the alarm for 2 hours 45 minutes, and all three modules, listening, reading, writing, do in one stretch. If you follow my instructions, if you follow mock tests for last 7 days before the exam, nobody can stop you in getting 7 plus band score if your preparation is good. In your like coaching center or training or wherever you are taking training or your self practice, if you are getting 6.5 in reading, when you will be doing these mock tests, you can easily get 7 plus band scores in listening, reading, and even in writing if you have good understanding of question statement and all. Okay, so mock tests are really important. Please follow this. You can ask me. I will make video about mock test also. Okay, now let's do this kind of fill-ups. This is label the diagram we will be doing here. No clue is given, just read it. Label the diagram only they have given. You can use no more than 2 words. Nowadays I can understand one word instruction is there, but doesn't matter. If instruction is 1 word, then definitely you will be using 1 word. If it is 2 words, then 1 word or 2 word will come. So here, but point here is how you can get location as well as the correct answer. So here nothing is given. No, only this word is given, one hidden. Okay, so how will you find the location of these fill in the blanks? So now just listen to me properly. Here they have given the shape of submarine or plane like thing. Okay, so this is a shape of fish kind of thing, and this is the outer layer we can say, and this is something like that. Now according to the shape, we will be finding the location of this one hidden. So believe me, this one hidden word you will not get in the paragraph. So let's start finding the location where they are explaining about the shape of this plane or submarine, something like that, because reading name is underwater movement, so maybe submarine. Here in H paragraph, I have got shape kind of thing about the things here. So shape, they are talking about shape. So obviously it is totally enclosed craft, cigar shaped and narrowed ends. These are the ends. The outer hull is dying the largest part of the dyed boat and forms the body. This outer hull. So they have given arrow. So this is outer hull. We can write outer hull. Whatever the spelling is given, please write it properly. Don't miss any word. Like some students are having habit of omitting e from most of the spellings. Even in writing also they are doing it. So this we have got outer, where we were. Outer hull is dying, the largest part of the dyed boat, and forms the body. The inner hull is designed to resist the considerable water. So inner is inside pressure and insulate the crew from the cold. Okay, this is where the crew works, eat. It also contains the engine room. Inside they are talking. Okay, engine room and apparatus that makes clean air and water. Between the holes are the ballast tanks are for controlling buoyancy. So inner side they are just talking. There is a tall fin shaped tail. Sorry, this is tall or tail? I think fin shaped is, this is fin shaped sail that comes out of the hull. Inside the sail is the conning tower, and extending this from fore, this is periscope through which the captain can see the sea. So here, from here the captain can see the sea outside. So what is that? So there are 2 points, even 3 points they have given. So what we will writing here? From, I think from here, this is the thing he can see outside. There is a fin shaped sail that comes out of the hull. Okay, maybe this they are talking. Inside the sail is conning tower, and extending from this for this there is a periscope through which captain and the sky. So I am confused in 8th or 9th. So where is, or maybe 7th? Sonar is used for navigation deep below the surface. The other projection from conning tower is the radio antenna. Okay, maybe this may be radio antenna. So this may be radio antenna. So we can write here radio antenna. And 8th, as I told you, there is a periscope. So this we can write it periscope. Okay, now what about seventh? Some kind of thing is there. Okay, so next paragraph we can go. So here how you can find the location. You can, there are two controls for steering the submarines. The rudder, a tail fin controls side to side movement. The rudder and the diving planes influence rise and descent. There are two sets of diving planes, the forward sail planes and stem planes. So there are two controls for steering the submarines, the rudder, a tail fin. I think this is, they are talking rudder, and there are two things they are talking. So one hidden is also saying something. The rudder tail fin controls side to side movements. I think this. And the diving planes influence rise and descent. There are two sets of diving planes, forward sail pins, planes and stem sail pins, which are located at the back with rudder and propeller. Okay. I think these two things they are talking. Advancing technology will undoubtedly result in different shapes and modes of operation. And it is quite possible. So we are looking for one hidden also. So here they were talking about this, the rudder and this propeller. So we will write here rudder here, RUDDER, and propeller. And what about one hidden? So hidden I am just looking for, if you go for word to word, that is not possible for us. So we can write here, there are two sets of diving planes, the forward sail planes and stem planes, which are located at the back. Which are located at the back, it means that is hidden. So we can write here uh, uh, stem planes. This now we have completed, but yes, seventh is left. So what is seventh? Steering the submarine, rudder, this they have done, controls side to side movement, the diving influence rise. There are two sets of diving planes. So here forward sail planes, stems which are located at the back. Advancing will result different shape, modes of operation. It is quite possible. Manned by robots, computer technology. So it means here I think I have missed it. Stem planes is here at the back, but at the front they are talking about forward sail planes. So here we can write sail planes. Forward, front, and this is back side, sail planes. That's why you can just find the locations and the correct answers. And you have noticed we have got the all the location, all the answers in last two paragraphs.